Namaste and welcome to Himalayan Yoga Association YouTube online classes. I am Saurabh and thank you for joining us today. Today we are going to add two more asanas in our Ashtanga series. We have done till Parasarita Paduttanasana and Purvottanasana. Now we will going to go ahead further and do two more asanas and add two more asanas in our Ashtanga series. Okay, so just come in tabletop position. We should just do a quick warm up for our today's new two poses. So sorry guys. Okay, so let's start our warm up today. Inhale, look up, open your chest, exhale. Release. From here you can go, just tuck your toes, go for downward facing dog position. For a quick warm up you can do like yogi push-ups, plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Again plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. So this is a very good for a quick warm up. So try out almost 10 rounds. Plank. In plank position you have to just push your scapulas away, engage your core, make a hump on your this thoracic part. Try to push it away, your scapulas just away from each other. Engage your core and bend your elbows. You have to not bend your elbows outside. Remember, rotate your elbows inside. Bend and try to touch your both elbows to your chest. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. So this is the full. You have to complete it around 8 to 10 sets and it will just give you a quick boost for your asanas. Now slowly move forward and then slowly come up and prepare yourself for sun salutation. You can do 5 rounds of sun salutation here. Come, inhale, raise your both arms up for Urdhva. 2 exhale, Uttanasana. 3 inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana, look front. 4 exhale, jump back chaturanga. 5 inhale, set, exhale, hold, deep breathe in, deep breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knees. Jump front, Ashtu, exhale. Now I inhale, come up, and exhale, Samasthiti. So this is sun salutation A. You can do sun salutation A 5 rounds and sun salutation B 5 rounds. So today our first asana is Utthita Hasta Ekpad Utthita Hasta Pad Angushtasana. So for that you have to warm up little bit of your hamstrings muscles and calf muscles. So just we will do a quick warm up. Open your feet according to your shoulder length. Open your feet, go forward. Now slowly push it down. Just after completing like do almost 50 times like this and just get a quick warm up and just prepare for Ekpada Padangusthasana. So in Ekpada Padangusthasana, you have to, I will show you it from front. You have to lift your right leg up, bend your right knee, grab your first big toe from your first two fingers, inhale, straight your leg, front, and hold, and try to touch your head or chin on your knee, on your shin bone. Maintain your balance. Take your right leg to right side. Maintain your balance. Look left side, Vam Parshvadrishti. Again, take your right leg to front. Exhale again. Inhale, release. Hold Ekpadasana. So this is the full you have to do. If you cannot grab your big toe, you can use belt. You can use belt on your leg and try it with belt first. Then if you can reach, then try it with your fingers or hand. So first you have to take your leg front. Second, you have to take your leg right side. Third, again front, and then release for Ekpadasana. Now I will show you it from my left leg. Bend your left leg, inhale, straight your leg, feel the stretch which is coming from your hamstring and calf muscles. Exhale, down, inhale, turn your left leg to left side, look right side, Dakshin Parshvadrishti. Maintain your balance. Again, leg front. Exhale, down. Inhale, look front and release. Hold and let down. So this is Ekpada Utthita Padangusthasana. So now our second asana is, you have to do warm up for that. Bend your right leg over your left thigh. Push your right knee down. Inhale up. Press it down. You have to do a good warm up for your knees, ankles for our next pose. Reduce the distance and press. So for our next asana, which is Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana, you have to stand and bend your knee and grab your toes from behind, and then you have to go forward. So for that you have to warm up of your knee. So do it properly. Keep your knees warm up, legs warm up, and then we will stand and do. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now again I will show you from side how to do Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. You have to bend your right knee over your left thigh. Now grab the right ankle or right foot from behind like this. Raise your left arm up and exhale, go down. Maintain your balance, keep your left palm side of your left feet, go fully forward. Again, inhale, come up. Hands up, exhale down, release your leg, release your hand. So, same from our left leg. bend your left leg over your right thigh. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, go down and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend your knee, come up and exhale, release. So these are the 2 asanas which we have added to our Ashtanga series more. एक पाद उत्थित हस्त पाद अंगुष्ठासना और अर्ध पद पद्मोत्थानासना. So guys, if you wanna know more, see more videos, and tomorrow we will be doing 2 more asanas. We will add 2 more asanas in our Ashtanga. So please guys, if you like our video, so guys like, subscribe our channel, and if you guys want more videos like this, press the bell icon for more yoga videos. Namaste, stay safe, stay healthy.